Open a new tab in Chrome browser and type chrome://dino dino. It is a normal dinosaur game. Let's make it interesting. Right-click and click on Inspect. Go to Console, and type runner.instance_.game equals greater than curly brackets. Hit Enter and close the Inspect window. Now hit Space to start over. Now you can play this game without dying. You can trick your friends with this method. You can reload the page to stop the game and the code will reset automatically. Please subscribe and remember, your crush has secret crush on you.